Hey there, welcome back to our Movement and Motion channel. If you're watching this, you're enjoying our fall playlist where we explore the entire northeastern United States. And if you want to know what we're doing today with the kayak, it's going to be in a future video. But in this video, we're going to be exploring places like Boston, Cape Cod. In fact, Patience and I are going to go to a place that we've never been in our life. So stay tuned, follow along, and enjoy the adventure.
Sold it all, we're on our way. Packed our dreams in a rolling bay. Wheels are turning, life is free. Homes wherever we choose to be. Movement and motion, shift, grow and go. Adventure calling, time to show.
So our neighbors who were just leaving did something that we've never had happen before, which is they left us a little gift, and it was nice. It's nice. Let's see what it is. Oh. What does it say?
It's a surprise. Your day just got goat a little more exciting from another GD brand. Grand Design brand camper owner. Oh.
He just got goated. Oh, well, we didn't know it. We have no idea what the GD goat movement is, but I bet it is
now we do.
I bet you just leave it on somebody's step every time you're camping with them.
Oh, that was really
So it's
sweet.
like
They
a
were
pass
really
along.
nice. They were really nice. Dave and his wife.
Want to go for a ride around the one wheel and check out the park. It's pretty cool. I kind of vibe these campgrounds like it's a campground with trees, and you know, a lot of these resorts are cool, but I'm vibing the campgrounds. For me, it has like a drummer boy vibe in Pennsylvania that we stayed at just recently, where you just want to get that campfire going and cooler nights and roasting some s'mores and some samos and some hot dogs, you know, kind of killing that's the vibe that you get here. Which, you know, at Moody Beach, it was, you know, mini golf and swimming and resort style stuff. So I might be on the back end of this. It might not be that big of a place. And sure enough, I am on the back end of this. So, but you know when you're backing in and you're not doing it smooth, right? Don't do it the first try, and you tend to get a lot of extra help. Let's just put it that way. And I ain't complaining, you know, more help, better. But you kind of create a, hey, there's nothing to do here. Let's go look at the new guy trying to pull his trailer in and get it safe. That's not typically me, but it was today. It was tight. It was really tight. And I gotta say, I love the Boston accent. I love the Boston, because the people, his name's Dave, because that's my name. And that's how I remember. He comes over here and he's like, has the awesome accent. He's like, ain't nothing for nothing, but you might want to try it this way. I'm sorry, I'm butchering it, but I just love talking to people with that accent. Oh my goodness, where are we going? So we're gonna come on this trail right here. So if you're tenting, it's kind of cool. You can come back in here, get your tent on. I love tent camping and I love backpacking. Wife did it one time for my birthday. Patience, she did it once, and that was enough. We actually had a bear come into our campground in the high Uintas and sniff our tent. And of course, you know, I had the bear spray. We also had a 9mm that we were packing. But that experience, I didn't wake up the entire time. Now, her and my boys were like freaking out, and she didn't even wake me up. She probably would have, but she was like more gotta be quiet than Dave, get the gun, get the spray. She's like, never again. I'm like, man, I missed it. I was sleeping through the whole event. Just vibing on the one wheel. So I'm just kind of following this trail. I mean, I don't know where it goes. So let's take a look. I just kind of like exploring on the one wheel and seeing where these trails go. Sometimes nowhere. Other times it kind of leads to something, you know, it's pretty cool. Let's see where this goes. I mean, you got some campsites here. Again, no RVs, but oh, hey, what is that? Kayaks? Canoes? What's going on over here? Oh my goodness. Would you look at what? I did not know this was over here. That is really cool. This is beautiful. You can come and kayak this and maybe fish off this. This is what a hidden gem. I did not even know this was over here. It's right out of the campsite. So bonus points for that. Get some fishing, go kayaking. Probably not swimming. But hey, this is pretty. This is gorgeous. How's it going? Thanks. It's kind of floating. Oh, look, I am coming up on my campsite. Didn't know that was a thing. So it looks like you have some more tent areas right behind me. There's my daughter.
Did you biff it?
No. Why would I biff it?
Is it too park?
Yeah, it's actually small, but it's pretty cute.
Is there a place for dogs to run around?
Yeah.
Under the city lights, we finally roam. Bright trains rumbling loud, guiding us home. Patience catches a spark in that Boston air. She's swept off her feet by the Freedom Trail flare. History echoes through cobblestone lanes. I'm pulled into dancing, lost in the strains of street beats and laughter, rising up high. We're tasting the day with stars in our eyes. We're feeling that Boston high, riding the rails neath the storied sky. Freedom in the heartbeat, dancing in the street. This city's calling and it feels so sweet. We're caught in a moment, can't let it slip away. Boston's got our hearts, forever we'll stay. And hungry, our daughter craves flies, while the echoes of patriots fill modern skies. Old tales and new vibes collide in one song. We march through the streets, the rhythm so strong. It's our first time here, but it feels like we've grown. City tunes ring out, we claim them as our own. Boston's got magic, you feel in your soul, so we soak in the moment and let it take hold. We're feeling that Boston high, riding the rails neath the storied sky. Freedom in the heartbeat, dancing in the street. This city's calling and it feels so sweet. We're caught in a moment, can't let it slip away. Boston's got our hearts, forever we'll stay. Guitars blaze through these old cobblestone dreams. Echoes of revolution flow in our bloodstream. One day in this town could never be enough. Boston lifts us higher when the road gets tough. We're feeling that Boston high, riding the rails neath the storied sky. Freedom in the heartbeat, dancing in the street. This city's calling and it feels so sweet. We're caught in a moment, can't let it slip away. Boston's got our hearts, forever we'll stay.
Here at Plymouth Rock, Massachusetts, where the Pilgrims came over Some of them were our ancestors. Pretty cool to be here. Hundreds of years later. The small rock marks a monumental beginning. It's a reminder that every journey starts with a single step.
So we decided for our last day staying at Cape Cod, gateway to Cape Cod, that we'd come over to Rhode Island because both Patience and I feel like we need to see Rhode Island while we're here and visit Rhode Island, because we're probably not going to make a special trip back to the state of Rhode Island. However, when we got here, you can immediately feel that there's just a different charm. Of course, we're not in the big tourist area, not in Newport. We just kind of came down to the beach. The roads, just the houses, all that kind of stuff. And I love the beach, so can't go wrong with the beach. So.
With all those trees, that was really pretty.
Well, I can officially say we've been to Rhode Island.
Well, you gotta buy ice cream in Rhode Island if you really want to make it a trip.
That's true. Can't count it as a stay unless you buy ice cream. I like that.
And then that has the other. Perfect. Thank you. You too.
You gonna save some for me?
Look beautiful too. No, I get both. Twofer.
He's a little lick. Yep, I guess she gets both of them.
It's not sticking.
She gets both of them. So, just curious, what is your guys's way of when you visit a state where you can check it off and say, I've been there, right? Is it, do you have to stay there overnight? Do you have to spend some time, like a week? You just flying through to the airport? What is it that says, oh, I've been in that state? Well, for Patience and I, it's, did we get ice cream in that state?
Does that count? It has to count for something, right?
If we get ice cream in that state, then we know we visited that state. We're at Gray's Ice Cream in Rhode Island. And for Patience,
this is the best ice cream place that I've been to along our travels. Best ice cream by far. We tried a couple samples. I'm enjoying the black raspberry. It's really, really yummy. And then Dave, you got pineapple, orange.
I got pineapple, orange, and pumpkin.
The orange colors.
If you guys are ever traveling through this area, stop by and get some ice cream. So, it's awesome.
Thank you for joining us on our Northeast adventure. From Boston to Cape Cod, we've had such an exciting adventure every step of the way, and hope you've enjoyed it too. Make sure to hit that like and subscribe button and follow along, because up next, we are going to the beautiful Alpine Lake. We had such an unforgettable time, scenic views, our best RV park yet. Our ladder almost touched the water.
Stairs gonna get in the water.
Adventure is calling, so keep that movement in motion, and see y'all soon.